Hi guys, this is here Ramesh Soni and today I am here to go ahead and discuss with you guys the 1.5 days ka strategy. Sir, we are all done with our DT ka exam today. Sir, it went very well. However it went, past is gone. Forget it everyone. We are going to focus on the future now. Day after tomorrow, we all have our IDT paper. Baba, yes, I am also writing the IDT paper because when you write, it is me who is also writing with you. Yes. So now here I am going to discuss with you guys the 1.5 days ka strategy which we are all going to follow for day after tomorrow, basically to go ahead and prepare for the exam which is day after tomorrow, our IDT paper. So everyone, we are all going to rock it. We are all going to do the best for day after tomorrow. Sir, how do we go ahead and plan? See, we have to go ahead and put in everything now. People, day after tomorrow is the last paper. We are all going to put all the energies. We are going to rock it. Yes, everyone. जान लगा देना है. हिंदी में भी से जान लगा देना है means we will go ahead and put everything into it. Let's rock it, everyone. Now, here is the 1.5 day strategy which I have gone ahead and prepared. Sir, where do we go ahead and get it? Baba, you can go to my Telegram group which is CRMS Sony, or you can go to CRMS Sony website www.rameshsoni.com. Under that free resources, free resource mein you will be able to see 1.5 day strategy. Okay, everyone. You can download it from there or the Telegram group. Have it handy with you. Now, the first thing first, I want to go ahead and quickly do it. Everyone will not go ahead and waste time. Seedhi baat, no bakwas. Everything straightforward, quickly. Now, the first thing, always remember, today your exam got over. When you come home, get fresh, eat something and directly off to study. 10 minutes ka rest, you can go ahead and take 10-15 minutes ka rest. And now when we start studying, the first day over here, everyone over here. CA final, what are CA final IDT ABC analysis? So this where I am going to discuss now, we'll have the ABC analysis and also the 1.5 day strategy. Okay, sir. Here it is. I have gone ahead and put all the additional chart, amendment notes, MTP, RTP, everything which you are going to require to revise this 1.5 days. Basically, any additional charts which I want, MTP, RTPs, etc. in this free resources ka folder. Go to the link. There you will find one CA exam study resources, CA final July 21 ka folder. Go over there, download whenever whatever is required. So whenever you see refer folder, you have to go to the folder and download it. Everyone over here now. Day 1, today when your DT paper has got over, evening as soon as you reach home, get fresh. First thing you have to go ahead and start with is customs. Baba, people, understand one thing. Today, if you go ahead and 6 to 10, 10:30, 11 o'clock, if you finish your custom properly and sleep, you will have 20 marks in your pocket. So that will give a very good feeling that, sir, I am done with the custom. So first of all, always go ahead and finish today your customs and then go to bed. Now, custom ka English revisionary video is here, Hindi revisionary video is there. Now, one quick thing which I go ahead I will go ahead and tell. One thing which I go ahead and listen from student. Sir, your English revisionary video is 6 hours. Sir, Hindi is 3.5 hours. Sir, what is the difference? Baba, whatever language you are comfortable with, whatever language you are able to understand well, जो भी समझ में आता है, go ahead and do the revisionary. Always remember one thing. You have to be believing in the revisionary. You have to believe in the revisionary. You are doing Hindi, believe in Hindi revisionary. You are doing English, believe in the English revisionary. Both are going to give you equal benefit. If you don't believe, then none of them will give you the benefit. So you have to believe in the revisionary. Now, sir, should we go ahead and do the revisionary? Baba, it is up to you. What you can do is, you can go ahead and not do the revisionary. Just go ahead and use your summary note, or what you can go ahead and do is, if you have the chart book or you have the summary note, follow that, quickly revise the chapters and go ahead. But any chapter you feel like, because you are little tired today, you might not be able to concentrate on the book, you can also go ahead and see the revisionary video, because you just have to sit and keep listening to me, right everyone? So you can go ahead and follow this link and see the revisionary video. Now, I have gone ahead and done what? Chapter wise, I have gone ahead and given grading, and I have told some points which I believe that you should not be missing out on. Sir, I should not be missing out on means, yes, Baba, this point you can't miss out means, if it's an A graded chapter, everyone listen to me very carefully. There are two qualities of student who is there. One quality of student says, sir, I want to study everything and go. A, B, C, everything has to be done. There is another quality of student who says I just want to do selective study, only A category and B category I'll do, C category sir I'm not bothered because it comes only for 15-20 marks, I'll just ignore it. Everyone listen, A category grading which I have given, if you see in the A category will go ahead and cover your 50 to 60%. Approximately 120 marks ka paper comes in your exam. A category will cover 50 to 60% of your paper. B category 30 to 40%, and C category the remaining 15 to 20% of the paper will be covered. So sir, there are some students who go ahead and say, I know if I cover A and B, I will be able to attempt easily 80 to 85. So they go ahead and cover A and B category. But the category of student who wants to go ahead and cover everything can also go ahead and cover A, B and C category. I've already told you, A category covers 60, B category approximately 40 and C category approximately 15 to 20%. Right everyone? That will sum up to your 120 marks of your exam. Now, in the first category, A category, now when you are studying customs, levy and exemption from custom duty, very important. I have also gone ahead and told over here. Now if you see on the right hand side, I have gone ahead and told revision chart for definition. These definitions which are there in the first chapter, they go ahead and ask sometime for 3 marks. What I have done, I have gone ahead and made one small summary chart of the definition and I have gone ahead and put it on the folder. Which folder sir? This CA exam resources ka folder which is there. Go to the folder, you will be able to find in the folder one chart, revision chart for definition. Download it. If you want to read the definition, you can go ahead and read from there. At least those definitions should be covered by you. Next, section number 13, 23, 20, read with that notification. Notification number 45/2017, abatement. And sir, this quick case laws which I have gone ahead and put, at least you have to go ahead and read them and go. Others also have to be read. A category mein you should try to cover maximum. I have told only those points which you are not going to miss at all. Yes sir, we got it. Now sir, you have gone ahead and put case laws over here. I am telling the essence of the case laws you should know. You don't have to remember the name of the case laws. If you remember, very good. If you don't remember, Baba, don't quote a wrong case law. Are we clear everyone? At least know the essence. Next, second chapter comes is importation, exportation and transportation of goods. Here, if you go ahead and see everyone, I have gone ahead and told in the beginning only, points which are marked in green must do. You have to go ahead and do it. Karna to hai hi. You have to go ahead and do the green points because those are the amendment. Now, chapter number 2 which is there, import export procedure, you should just go ahead and have a glance. Deferred payment of duty is now allowed to authorized public undertaking. Please go ahead and read this. Deferred payment, very important. The third is duty credit ledger. Yes sir, please read and go. These two you can have a small short note of 3 marks. Please read and go. Sir, A category chapter, very important. A category chapter, you must cover almost everything, but this point you can't miss at any cost. Next, third is the classification of goods. B category chapter, I have gone ahead and told rule 2, 3, 5 and project imports. At least you should cover other thing. Baba, it doesn't mean that I am telling other things you don't have to cover, but I am telling these are the minimum thing that you should go ahead and do. These are the points which can be asked in the exam, right everyone? Sir, valuation, very important. One question on valuation for 4 to 6 marks comes in the exam. Valuation rule, you can have a small MCQ out of it, so please do it. Yes sir, we got it. Rate of duty and rate of exchange, you will need the date of which rate of duty and rate of exchange is required when you are doing a big sum. Next, types of duties, again very important. Safeguard measures is the new important amendment. You have to go ahead and do. Tariff rate quota has been introduced. Next, baggage. One question on baggage definitely comes in the exam. 3 attempts made, at least 2 attempts you will see. Okay. Now here jewelry allowance I have told you 20 gram, 40 gram, 20 gram for men, 40 gram for women, 50,000, 1 lakh. Yes sir, we will go ahead and read that. Audit and assessment. Provisional assessment in customs is very important. Also interest is calculation is very important. Here one amendment is there, one faceless assessment has been introduced. 3 marks ke liye they can go ahead and ask you. You can't leave it at any cost. Sir, where do we read it? In my amendment material. Sir, where do we find amendment material? All resources here. Next, sir, then duty drawback, I find it very important. 4 marks question should come this time. You have to read 74, 75, 75A, 76 is also there. Don't leave anything out of this chapter. A graded chapter it is. B graded chapter, you can leave, might be small thing. A graded chapter must cover everything. Next, Sir, refunds, please go ahead and read. Refunds may have gone ahead and told this too, okay. But again, a B graded chapter. Now here, at least this much you should read. More you can read if you have time. Then, sir, custom IGMR rule only if time permits. I don't believe in the chapter, but if time permits, you can read it. Now, if you have time, go through the Q&A quickly. Whatever the Q&A material, whichever Q&A material you have, go through quickly and glance through the parts and points where you had made a mistake while practicing. If you had done any mistakes earlier when you were practicing, those points at least you have to go ahead and focus now. Next. Now, day 1 is done, your customs is done, aram se relax and sleep off. A graded, B graded chapter should be done well. C graded chapter, at least the points which I have told not to be missed, go ahead and try to do it. Yes, everyone. Next. Strategic players who are telling, sir, I want to read A graded, B graded. Again, it is up to you. You can ignore C grade also, right? Then, sir, day 2, when you wake up in the morning, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, however the time, whatever time you generally wake up, go ahead and start with GST. Now, I have gone ahead and given the link over here. Now, if you see again, students go ahead and ask me, sir, GST ka video in English is long, Hindi is small. Baba, I'll tell you one thing. Believe in the video which you are watching. That's all. And if by chance you are watching Hindi and you don't have 1 or 2 chapters covered, please go ahead and cover it from the English ka revisionary video. Okay, sir, we'll do it. Now, for GST also, I have gone ahead and done it serial order wise. Sir, goods and service has to be supplied. Then, sir, GST will be levied. Then, sir, composition levy. Then, registration, exemption. Serial order wise, I have gone ahead and put it over here. I will recommend that you follow the serial order and go ahead and study. That will give you a flow to study. Okay, everyone? Yes, sir. The first chapter is a C graded chapter. I believe at least these points you should cover and go. Okay, sir. Sir, supply chapter and A graded chapter, very, very important chapter. Baba, schedule 2, schedule 3 is very important. Composite mix supply, it will be a part of a big question. So, you can't leave at any cost. Right, everyone? It will be a part of a big question. You will need it. Listen always, everyone. If you see a first question, which is a big question when it comes, exam mein when you enter, the first question will be a big question. The big question which is there is basically on this charge of GST. Then it's a mixture. It's a mixture of value of supply. It's a mixture of input tax credit, reverse. You have to go ahead and calculate the liability. So they will go ahead and give you exemptions also. It's a mixture along with exemptions also. So these are some of the A graded chapters. Let's go ahead and go from the beginning. Supply, I have gone ahead and told you. These 2 circular I feel as important, but A graded again. So at least try to cover everything. Sir, if you have the summary note, very good. If you have the chart book, go ahead and cover from the chart book, or else go ahead and quickly see the revisionary video on YouTube. Next. Sir, nature of supply. Definition of exports is very important. Supply is in India, recipient is outside India, place of supply is outside India. What I am receiving is foreign convertible currency. Yes, sir, we both are not deemed distinct person. We both are not mere establishment of distinct person. Very important definition. Please read. Amendment in Utica definition. Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu merged. Yes, sir. And Ladakh also separate definition. Separate point for Ladakh inserted. Please read this and go. Next, reverse charge may, what I believe is reverse charge ka entry is very important. Section 9(3) and 5(3) of the IGST Act is very important. And this director remuneration, one amendment is there. This you can't leave at any cost. A graded chapter, 6 marks expected out of it. You can't leave it. Next, sir, the composition levy. Baba, composition levy may. Remember always what is the turnover limit, 1.5 when it is applicable, 75 lakh when it is applicable. Yes, sir. Please refer to your summary notes. Then, ineligible. Who are the people who are ineligible? Very important. Can be a case study in the exam. Registration chapter, I have again gone ahead and told. Registration may rule 8, rule 9 and 25. There is an amendment. You can't leave it and go. You have to do the amendment. Right, sir? Registration limit. For which state, how much is the registration limit? It is very important. It might not be asked directly to you, but it will be a part of a big question. So, you will need it. Next. Exemption chapter 19A, 19B, only the time limit has been extended. 19C is a new insertion which is Antrix Corporation, etc. NSIL ke liye satellite launch services are exempted. Yes, sir, we remember that. Now, these are the ones which are there. Revisionary also I have attached. Why you have attached, sir? It's a big revisionary, but at least the points which are not, see, this government, transport, agriculture and healthcare, you have to cover it. Rest, whatever you want, you can go ahead and refer to the revisionary video. which is there on YouTube. I will go ahead and tell you have to read this chapter properly and go. Why, sir? Because they will ask you as a part of big question, or might be an individual question also, or nowadays MCQs are there. So you can't leave anything in this chapter and go. Value of supply, again a very important chapter. You must do it properly. Okay, sir, we will do it. Computation ka one question to short will come. Rule number 32 and 33. 33 ke liye, I feel pure agent ke liye, they might go ahead and ask you a small question. So please do it and go. Again, an A graded chapter, very important. Sir, tax invoice chapter, why did you classify as B graded? Because e-invoicing has come. The very important amendment relating to e-invoicing, refund voucher, advance voucher, credit note, okay. But sir, e-invoicing ka provisions are very important. You can't leave at any cost. Yes, sir, we will go ahead and read e-invoicing ka provision. Next, sir, accounts and record, if time permits, do it. Otherwise, Baba, move to B graded and A graded when you get time at the end of the day. Today means 18th, when you get time, please come back and watch my revisionary on this. That should be good enough. Next, sir, 130 e-way bill, again a C graded chapter. People, you know what, in C graded also, out of these two, one question might come. So you can go ahead and ignore it also completely, up to you, or you can at least watch my revisionary videos for both of them, should be good enough. Next, sir, time of supply, again a very important chapter. One MCQ must come, or at least it might be a part of a big question, or an individual question also can come. B graded chapter, you can't leave it. Sir, I want to do it quickly. Refer to the revisionary, quickly you will be able to do it. Next, input tax credit, very important chapter, 10 to 15 marks. Big question ka part, small question, many questions out of this chapter. You have to go ahead and cover everything, but at least the points which are not to be missed, I have gone ahead and put it up over here. Sir, job work and ISD, B graded chapter, out of both of them, at one question, sometime they go ahead and ask. I believe B graded because I believe they should go ahead and ask you one question out of any one of them. Payment of taxes, very important, everyone. Section number 50, net liability pay, you have to go ahead and pay interest pay. Interest has to be paid on your net tax liability. That point is very important over here. Manner of utilization, CGST, IGST for IGST, then IGST for CGST, SGST in any order. That is very important. You can't leave these points and go. A graded chapter, please cover it well, everyone. TDS and TCS, I have written B graded because what they do is either out of TDS or TCS, they go ahead and ask a question. Might be a 2 marks question, might be a 4 mark question, but you can't leave this chapter, B graded chapter. Quickly, how do we do it? Strategy is go ahead and see my revisionary video in quick fast mode. Next, returns ka chapter, C graded chapter, but I have put it as B graded this time. Why, sir? Lot of small amendments are there. Please do the amendments and go. They might go ahead and ask a question out of this. Otherwise, it is generally a C graded chapter, but this time B because lot of amendments are there. Advanced ruling, Baba, quickly go ahead and see the revisionary chapter closed. Then assessment, these 3 assessments, so you can't leave it any cost. B graded chapter, sir, these 3 assessments you have to do: provisional assessment, best judgment of non-filer, and summary assessment. You have to go ahead and do these 3 assessments properly. Rest, if you want to still go ahead and cover everything, revisionary video. Next, audit C graded. What are the 3 types of audit? Audit by CA, sir, audit under section number 65, audit by department, sir, special audit. Please go ahead and read once and go. Otherwise, at the last you can see my revisionary video. Next, inspection search Caesar, B graded chapter. See the revisionary video. You might have see out of these 3, no, at least you will have a 3 to 4 marks question which will come in the exam. So don't leave it and go. Quickly do it. Quickly how? Revisionary video. Next, demand and recovery, A graded. My opinion, 4 to 6 marks they are going to ask you this time. You can't leave this chapter. Special procedure with respect to corporate debtor, amendment video is there on YouTube. You can see the amendment video. That will be good enough. Next, sir, appeals and revision, B graded. Why, sir? Because in the last attempt they had asked it. I don't think so they should ask you. If they ask you also 2 to 3 marks, so I have gone ahead and given you a B graded chapter over here. At least time limit for appeal, computation of pre-deposit, sir, non-appeal level orders, again which you just have to say it. Sir, when can the revisionary authority not revise? Then all these are the points at least you should cover. Liability to pay, C graded chapter. Offences and penalty, very important sections which are there. I have gone ahead and put it up over here. Place of supply, A graded chapter. Last attempt they had gone ahead and asked 10. Last to last attempt 6 marks. In my opinion, it is an A graded chapter, 5 to 6 marks must expected. Please go ahead and do at least these 3 circulars also you have to do at least. Next, sir, imports under GST, OIDR to NTR forward charge mechanism. Please read the provision once if you get time. Exports, okay, C graded, but here 96B, I feel it is a good point to cover. Next, refunds का chapter, A graded chapter. Sir, refunds में formula for calculation of refund. See, if you want, you can do my revisionary, which is around for 1 hour, and you will be able to cover refunds properly. 1 hour, but watch it at a speed of 1.5. You will be able to cover it quickly, right, everyone? These are some of the amendments which are there. Please cover it. You can't go ahead and leave it. Sir, amendments, Baba, whatever is the amendment, you will be able to find the amendment material in the folder which I told. From the amendment material, go ahead and quickly read. Go ahead and quickly read. Sir, I have a doubt. See the amendment ka video which is there. Okay, everyone. Then, sir, miscellaneous provision, again a C graded. See, over here, one is the anti-profiteering, for which I have gone ahead and put up one video on YouTube, which is there. YouTube revisionary video you can refer. And, sir, secondly, my YouTube revisionary video which is there on the top, I have given a link. No, where is the link? Here. In this video, you will be able to find it. Secondly, what I have done is, I have gone ahead and prepared one additional chart where I have gone ahead and made some 10-12 questions which are there. You guys can go ahead and read only if the time permits. Okay, everyone, C graded. Third day when you wake up, second day is done. We are done with the GST. At the end of the day, you should be done with A and B, at least C graded which is there. If you have gone ahead and covered C graded also, go to your Q&A material, quickly see if you have gone ahead and done some mistakes when you were going ahead and solving question answers earlier. Those question answers quickly glance through. Next, sir, day 3 is there. Day 3 mein what do we do? In day 3, Baba, FTP is there. Now FTP, sir, I want to go ahead and cover. How do I cover? One hour ka video on Hindi and English, FTP in English and Hindi, both I have gone ahead and put on my Ramesh Soni classes ka mobile app. You can download the app. In that app, how do I download? The link is provided over here. You can go ahead and cover it from there. Sir, I want chart. Baba, refer to our folder which I have gone ahead and provided. Next. Sir, once I am done with FTP, what are the remaining things I have to go ahead and cover? Sir, FTP is done. Now, go ahead and cover the amendments for your May 21. Amendment material in the folder. Amendment material is there in the folder. Okay, everyone. Then, sir, November 20 ka amendment also I want you to cover. Why, sir, November 20? Because these are fresh amendments. May 21 ka and November 21 ka amendments which are there. Both are required. Please do it properly. Both the amendment material I have gone ahead and put in the folder. Download it from the folder. At least read the crux properly and go. Then, sir, RTP. Most recent RTP first. November 20 ka RTP then, sir, then MTP. I have put MTP, RTP, everything in the folder. Next. Then the last, you can also go ahead and refer to the MCQs which are issued by the ICI. That also I have gone ahead and put in the folder. You can refer them quickly. What happens? Sometimes ICI goes ahead and asks the similar kind of question, so it might help you. But in IDT, expecting a same to same question is not possible. They will not ask you same to same question. In my opinion, they will ask you similar type or concept based questions only. Next. Sir, some very important notes which I have gone ahead and written. Very, very important. Listen to me carefully, everyone. When you are doing a computation, when you are doing any question, please, for every computation ka points, you have to go ahead and write one working note. You have to go ahead and write proper working notes. Don't leave the working notes and come. Half mark will be gone for every point. Don't leave it. Then, whenever you see case study MCQs in the exam, first go ahead, read the questions of the case study. Then go ahead and start reading the case study. What will happen? Now, you already know what are the questions which are asked. So, you have done a cheating. You have already gone ahead and read the questions which are asked. So, now when you read the case study, you will be able to focus better that, sir, okay, these are the answers which I have to find out in the case study or while reading the case study. Don't go ahead and directly read the case study, then read the question answer. First question answer, then the case study. Next. Sir, I don't remember section numbers. Baba, if you don't remember section numbers, don't bother remembering now. If you remember section number, if you remember the correct section number, only then quote. Don't quote a wrong section ever. Ever. Next. Sir, I don't remember circular number. Arey Baba, not required. just go ahead and write as per the latest CBIC circular, or as per the circular issued by CBIC, or as per the notification issued. Just go ahead and use these words. Enough. You don't have to go ahead and remember circular number, notification number, year of circular, not required. Next, section number, if you remember, it is good. If you don't remember also, no problem. Don't be tense now. Sir, MCQs, you can also go ahead and do one thing. Ramesh Soni Classes ka mobile app is there. You can download it. MCQs are at just 1 rupee. What you can do is, whenever you want, you are sitting idle, I'm tired, sir. Now you can sit and solve the MCQs in your mobile app. It's just 1 rupee. It's like playing a game. Baba people, here we are done with your last decade strategy. Listen to me carefully, everyone. Every item which you need, everything which you need will be put up in this folder in the free resources. Access the free resources, download the folder, and go ahead and you will be able to find all the material which I have gone ahead and spoken over here. Small material which I have told, no, that you can refer amendment material in the folder. So the folder means this folder. Okay, everyone? Yes, sir, we got it. People, it is the last day. We are going to put 100%. We are going to put all the energy and we are going to pass. IDT is one paper which will go ahead and help you in the aggregate mark, and Baba, you guys will be done with your paper. Group 2 will be a cakewalk if you go ahead and score the best in IDT. Love you all, everyone. Study hard. I am available. If you have any query, what you can do is quickly go ahead and message me or call me on 7259276368. This is my number. This is my personal number. Have any query, you can go ahead and call me. Right, everyone? All the best, guys. Enjoy the revisionary. Whenever tired, see the revisionary. Whenever in Josh, go ahead and quickly revise from your summary note. Quickly go ahead. Right, everyone? All the best, guys. Do well. Love you all. Take care.